two new areas of rotation have developed out of this storm system. And right before we started to address all of these tornado warnings, our team sat and we talked about how it just looks a little bit different than these supercell storms. These are all embedded. So we have two areas. Look at Macedonia and Ethelsville. What we're seeing right here is these are our shear markers. So the circles that you see on your screen are indicating where there would likely be rotation and the probability of a tornado. It doesn't necessarily mean there is a tornado on the ground, but that's where the highest probability of that would occur. So that's an important point when you're looking at these maps. The second thing, where you see these bright greens and deep, kind of the dark reds there, those are the severe winds. That's where we would see the strongest winds, again, associated with rotating storms. So two spots now. So this isn't just a singular isolated tornado. Potentially, we could have multiple vortices with this, and this could just be multiple areas of significant wind. One or the other, both are going to be very strong. Thank you for double boxing us with that Tuscaloosa tower cam too. We'll keep an eye on that. So our first one that I want to bring your attention to, this is Carrollton. This is moving to our east. And again, these storms are howling. And look at this curvature. Okay, here's where I get a little nervous. When it starts to make an S like that, that is very indicative of rotation. So we have a classic S with these severe winds. This S shape is going to really define kind of the rotation there in the atmosphere. Tracking these storms out, here's what you need to know. If you live in any of these towns here, so Stancil, get to your safe place right now. Gordo, get to your safe place. Anywhere from Shirley to Samantha and Lake Cove, you've got about 30 minutes there. This storm system now, everywhere that we have in northern Tuscaloosa County, it has not been warned for. If you are watching us and you live in Tuscaloosa County, in the northern part of Tuscaloosa County, go ahead and start practicing that safety plan. Very important for you. You still have some time on the map there, but really eastern Pickens County, this storm is on you because it is moving so fast. Get to your safe place and get to it fast. Look at these wind speeds. We've got 60, 58 miles per hour, 75 mile per hour winds. So these winds are howling as this storm is zipping off to the east. All right, that's the first one I want to talk about. Let's talk about the one towards Ethelsville. That's going to be just to the north of Macedonia here. We're already starting to see another little area where we could see some curvature there. We're starting to see those greens and that maroon. So that would indicate that this is our velocity. So this is where we would have that couplet of rotation. So there actually might be a couple of different areas that could be producing some very strong winds and the potential of some tornadic activity right now. So again, that's heading over Highway 82. So basically, if you're on Highway 82 anywhere near Ethelsville all the way through Coalfire, let's see, there's Coalfire there kind of in the center of your screen, then down towards Reform on into Gordo, you need to get to your safe place immediately. Again, a couple of areas that we could be seeing possible rotation. All right, let's put it on reflectivity really quickly, because what I want to show you with this is what we're really analyzing is where the rotation would be, where the winds are the strongest. But if you look at it on a map, or if you're at home and it is just pouring down rain on you, you are not going to be able to see these storms. These are completely rain wrapped. We call them HP storms. High precipitation. So there's a lot of rain that is wrapping around these storms. These are not going to be classic in terms of if you looked out your window, you'd see a funnel cloud and then you'd see the tornado. This is going to be so wrapped in rain, it's likely just going to be a mess of wind and rain and possibly debris. And speaking of which, let's throw on our CCR debris tracker really quick just to see. Now, I don't see anything that stands out. There is a little dot of yellow there near Delma. That could actually indicate, and then there's one near Carrollton. So we do have two small spots there on our debris tracker that could indicate actually some areas where we are getting something lofted into the atmosphere right now. And it's not always easy to tell what that is. It could just be tree limbs, branches, things like that, but we are tracking that right now. Again, two areas of rotation, it appears, in